What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to go over the Eagle Tool US cable bit and installer kit, as well as some of the accessories that come with it. This thing is pretty awesome. So if you're not familiar with Eagle Tool US and their cable bits and some of their X-Flex shanks, you will be very pleased with them when you do. So what this kit comes with is the fish rods, couple of Allen wrench sets. This is for the 1/4 inch and 3/16 inch. Also comes with the ball and chain magnet accessory for your fish rods. You put this at the tip of the fish rods when you're fishing something through your walls, and it gives you an extra foot, if you will, to help easily pull your wires through your wall or your ceilings. It also helps retrieve tools, so if you've lost a tool behind the wall, this can pull out a hammer or a wrench for you. The lighted tip also for the fiberglass fish rods. So this is great because it lights up at the tip, so when you're going through a ceiling or an attic, once you're through, you can easily identify it and find it. The 16-foot fiberglass fish sticks, as well as an auger style wood bit, as well as a dirt auger. And then we have a 1/4 inch extension shank and a 3/16 inch extension shank. It also comes with 2 larger installer bits that I don't have on me right now, so just know that, as well as the bag here. The bag here won a 2019 Pro Tools Innovation Award, and frankly, it's awesome. It's got pockets for accessories so that you can put these in here like this. The installer bits go here, and then I also have a couple of extra pieces that also fit. So it's not limited to just what comes with the kit. As you see here, you can stuff multiple more. This is the screw point bit, and this is the old, or my first dirt auger from Eagle Tool US. This is the 54-inch extension, which I'll put in there. And then I also have the 72-inch dirt auger and the 72-inch screw point bit. Now these are obviously bigger than the 54-inch bag, so they have to hang out the top a little bit. But really what I wanted to show you is, even with that happening, it's really not inconvenient at all. So we just slide these in. And then what I do is I come over here, fold this over, so this folds over, velcros really nicely, so you're not going to lose any bits. Nothing's going to come falling out, or nothing's going to fall out on you. You can close it right there. You can also close the cover for the extensions, which is great. And then I just kind of leave this hanging out the top a little bit. So close it over as such, which I also like. Once again, there's velcro all around the edges here to keep all your bits nice and safely tucked. So get it velcroed up as such. What I also like about this emblem is it's not a sticker, it's actually sewn on. All of the stitching on this bag feels really good. So not to overlook the bag is actually a really nice and quality product to keep all of your tools in. So, and then I just have these bits that kind of hang out the top like that. So typically this stays, if it's on the job site or it's in my shed, I hang it up by the straps here like this. And these stay nice and safe, so no problem at all. But yeah, so that is the complete kit. And again, if you're not familiar with Eagle Tool US, some of their installer bits, their cable bits, their switch bits are incredible. I highly recommend them. So yeah, this is the bag itself, and as you can see, plenty of space, plenty of storage for everything you need and more. Hope this was helpful, and as always, folks, reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Take care.